Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by. My name is Tyler Cranston and this is my first video for Easy Life Journey. I'm here in Thailand right now. I am an entrepreneur, a blogger, writer, and I have my own e-commerce business on Amazon. So basically I want to share my life and help others in their life on how to succeed, how to travel, and just basically live your life but to your fullest, happiest, and do whatever you want, because honestly life is the longest journey you'll ever have, but it's very quick. So in my first video I will be talking about meditation because I believe it's very important. But a little bit about me. My name again is Tyler Cranston. I was adopted from Vietnam when I was 6. I have a twin brother, and I've been in the US for 20 years, and I lived in a few places here and there. But now I feel like I have control of my life. Not totally, but 80-90%. And I travel, and right now I am in Thailand, and next month I'll either stay here for another month or I'll go back to Vietnam. But I have to work a lot, so in this video, if you don't mind, I am going to be looking at my computer screen a little bit because I wrote a blog that I already finished. So I want to tell you in video, because some people don't like to read and some people learn video. For me, I do both. I like reading and learning with video. So let's start. So meditation, the title is How to Meditate the Universal Power to Immortality and Beyond. Now there's some courses where people will charge you a lot of money. Celebrities are known to pay good 2, 3, 4, 5,000 to learn how to meditate. And if you have the money, I kind of recommend it because you're learning from the best and you're getting the best. However, if you don't, you can easily learn it yourself, but it does take time, focus, and a lot of practice. Meditation has to be done daily, at least twice, if not once, for 30 minutes, but it could take a couple months. So 6 to 8% of the people worldwide practice some form of meditation, and many celebrities do it, or successful people, because they know it works. And I do it myself twice a day, 10-15 minutes in the morning and 10-15 minutes at night. And so I want to talk about Jagi Vasudev and Acharya Sri Yogesh. I'll put a link in the description below. I was researching about them and how they meditate and what they say, and I really like what they had to teach. So why meditate? Well, meditate has a lot of benefits. If you learn that monks do it, Hinduism does it, even some Christians do it. I mean, I don't believe in anything. I believe there is a God maybe, but right now you can say I am agnostic. But meditation opens up new worlds, new doors, and well, here's 6 meditation types of meditations. Mindful meditation. You pay attention to your thoughts as they pass through your mind. You don't judge the thoughts or become involved with them. Spiritual meditation. It's similar to prayer in that you reflect on the silence around you and seek a deeper connection with the God or universe. The most difficult type. Requires years of training and dedication. Think of monks and spiritual leaders. Focused meditations. Involves concentrating using any of the 5 senses. For example, you can focus on something internal like your breath, or you can bring in external influences like energy in the universe to help focus your attention. Okay, as a traveler, this is not suitable for me because I need a comfortable place and I need to sit down. And here in Thailand, right here, it's pretty quiet, but when I'm in Vietnam, Saigon, that's impossible. They beep so much, their horn, it's literally impossible. So I would have to live in like the 50th story of an apartment or a complex. Okay, the next one is movement meditation. This practice may include walking through the woods, jogging, qigong, yoga, and other gentle forms of motions. It's an active form of meditation where the movement guides you. Mantra meditation. This type of meditation uses a repetitive sound to clear the mind. It can be a word, phrase, a sound, or such as the popular Om. You hear that a lot, the Om. And transcendental meditation. This practice is more customizable than mantra meditation, using a mantra or series of words that are specific to each practitioner, and is very popular among the Western world. You can study in depth of each one, and I will probably have the link below so you can click on which one you think is most suitable for you. So proper guided meditation, movement meditation doesn't apply to all these. Okay, that means yoga, qigong, because proper guided meditation, you need to sit. Okay, there's no correct posture. You need to sit, cross your legs, and I like to cross my hands like this. Some people put their top part of their hands on top of their knees, which is fine. But I like doing it this way and crossing my legs because when I saw this YouTube video, it said the energy with the universe comes to me better and I can focus better that way. But other people, they put their hands on their knees, they put their palms on their knees, whatever you want, but you need to sit up straight, chin, head flat, straight. I like to sit against the wall because if I sit on top of like an empty ground, what happens is sometimes my head slouches forward or my whole body wants to slouch, and you don't want that. You want your spine to be straight, so that way all the energy and the positive energy in the cosmos of the universe can go into you, because your spine, believe it or not, that's where your soul is, right here. But your body, mind, which is also spiritual, and then your soul. Your soul and your spirit, some people say are the same. I'm still working on that. It's kind of hard. I don't think they're the same, but I believe they are connected. Anyways, so you need to sit in a very quiet place, and the best place to sit is either in the forest, the woods, the garden. And the best time to meditate is in the morning or just before dawn. So sunrise and sunset, because the sun is not too powerful, and in the morning it's the best to do it because that's when you are rising up, and the sun will give you the most energy and you feel happy. Sunlight gives you vitamin K, and it also has chemicals in there that makes you happy and you feel alive. So, and then at night you can do that too, or you can do it before you go to bed. Okay, so you want to be very relaxed. That's the most important thing about meditation. Relax as much as you can. You have the AC on, the air on, nothing distracting, literally no external sound. You can listen to music for the first couple of weeks to help you, but then afterwards you should try to meditate without music, or if you do, put the volume on 20-30%. I still meditate sometimes with music, especially if I'm in the city, because I don't want to hear cars or people talking, because that distracts me. Now you're going to realize that meditation is not easy the first couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months. The problem is your mind wants to think about random thoughts, and it's not easy. I'm telling you, I've been meditating for a couple of months, and you just have to work at it. The first couple of days, I literally did not want to meditate. It was so bad. I was thinking about everything. For me, I have insomnia, and my mind, I also think every day, like random. I just think, my mind just is so active. So maybe for you, it's a little bit easier, because I know some people, when they go to bed, literally in 10-20 seconds, they're asleep. Me, it takes at least 20 minutes. I have to take sometimes melatonin. So Thank you so much for watching the video. If you really liked it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. Also, we have our website easylifejourney.com where you can read full articles and where we post weekly new articles and blogs. You can also check out our Facebook and our Instagram, Easy Life Journey. Thank you so much again for your time and have a great day.